Danny's #1. Where does that come from?
I don't know. I'm pressing page and tricking her.
Here it goes again.
Answer it. Go ahead.
Sorry, we're late, Reba.
Hello?
Nobody's there?
Hello?
That's weird. Well, someone's trying to call.
Do me a favor, okay?
Answer it.
Here.
No, I'm not answering it. You answer it.
I'm just saying I already have one.
Maybe you're just not answering it fast enough.
I'm not giving out these names.
Hello? Hello? Nobody there.
Well, keep it over there because in case someone calls. Here, Nan. They may call back. Someone's trying to call, Nan.
I'm not answering it because there's no point.
I think you're not answering it fast enough. Try again. Maybe someone's playing a prank on you.
Hello?
Tell him to stop calling, man.
Whoever this is, stop calling me.
Of course you did. It's okay.
Someone's messing with you. Yell at them. Tell them to stop.
I do.
Tell them to knock it off.
Stop calling me.
Stop eating this, please. Jeez.
Lou. Lou.
Jeez.
Lou.
Is that who's calling? A Lou person? Jeez, stop.
So, if you like the couch, you don't get to ride the elephant.
We're rich. You read what's on it.
So much for wanting in on my gift, huh? I'm warning it. I think somebody owes somebody else.
They're not calling. I don't know, Nan. Someone's messing with you.